Have you ever heard someone say, just buy the S&P 500? And you're like, wait, what even is that? How can 3 letters and a number be the secret to getting rich? Well, today you're going to find out. Because the truth is, the S&P 500 isn't just some boring financial term. It's one of the most powerful money-making machines in human history. Seriously, if you had invested just $1,000 in the S&P 500 30 years ago, it would be worth over $10,000 today. And that's without doing anything fancy. So let's break it down. What makes the S&P 500 so strong, and why everyone from Warren Buffett to your finance bro friend keeps talking about it? First off, what even is the S&P 500? Think of it like the ultimate squad of U.S. companies, the top 500 players in the business world. We're talking Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Google, Nvidia, Tesla, all the heavy hitters. When you buy the S&P 500, you're not betting on one company to succeed. You're owning a tiny piece of all of them. It's like saying, I believe in the future of the entire U.S. economy. And here's the crazy part. This squad keeps updating itself. If one company falls behind, it gets kicked out, and a stronger one joins in. So the index literally evolves over time. You don't have to pick winners. The index does it for you. It's like having a built-in manager who keeps your portfolio fresh. Now, let's talk about performance. The real proof. Over the long term, the S&P 500 has returned around 10% per year on average. That might not sound insane, but compound that over decades, and boom, it's magic. That's why investors call it the 8th wonder of the world. But here's the twist. Most investors still lose to the S&P 500. Why? Because they try to outsmart the market. Buying high, selling low, chasing trends. They get emotional. Meanwhile, index investors just chill. They buy consistently, stay invested, and let time do the work. That's what experts call the winner's game. It's not about being the smartest. It's about staying in the game long enough to win. So, how do you actually buy it? Easy. You don't need to buy 500 companies individually. You just buy an S&P 500 index fund, or ETF, like SPY, VOO, or IVV. They all attract the same index. You can buy them through any brokerage app, even with small amounts. Now here's the golden move, dollar cost averaging. That means investing a fixed amount every month, no matter what the market's doing. Prices go down? Cool, you're buying cheaper. Prices go up, you're still in the game. Over time, it evens out, and your money grows smoother and stronger. Because let's be honest, the market's gonna crash sometimes. It's part of the deal. But guess what? It always comes back. Every single time. And when it does, the people who kept buying during the dip, they win big. So if you're new to investing, here's your formula for success. Stop trying to guess. Start being consistent. Trust time and the power of compounding. Remember, investing isn't about getting rich fast. It's about getting rich for sure. The S&P 500 is not exciting in the short term, but it's a beast in the long run. It's literally made millionaires out of ordinary people who just stayed the course. So if you're serious about building wealth, start now. Even $50 a month makes a difference, because the best time to invest was yesterday. But the second best time, it's today. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you understand why the S&P 500 is such a big deal, make sure to smash that like button, hit subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to start investing. Stay smart, stay consistent, and remember, in the game of money, patience always beats panic.